Hi everyone, it's Evangeline here at etrailer, and today we'll be taking a look at our Coghlans electric air pump with its 12-volt plug here at etrailer. So this has a 12-volt plug which is designed to fit into the 12-volt outlet of your car, your truck, or sometimes even your trailer. So this is great if you're out camping, if you're car camping, if you have a car mattress or you need to inflate the mattress in your tent, or even if you have an inflatable kayak and you want something that's easier to use than a hand pump, you might be interested in an electric air pump like this. So this is designed to inflate and deflate your large volume inflatables. So what that means is that your large volume inflatables are your air mattresses, your beach or pool toys, or even your inflatable kayaks. This is not designed to work with your high pressure inflatables. So your high pressure inflatables are, let's say, your soccer balls, your footballs, or even your bicycle tires. Now, a good way to see if this will work with your inflatable is to see what kind of valve it has. So we have 3 different valve adapters right over here. So 1, and then 2, and then 3. So here we have a larger one, a slightly smaller one, and then a long, thin valve adapter. So these larger ones are usually what you would use with your air mattresses, and this smaller one is kind of what you would see for the valves on your pool toys like your beach balls. So we'll take a quick look at measurements just to see or give you an idea if this will work with your inflatable. So for this larger one, we have it at about 3/4 inches wide for that valve, and then this medium-sized one, we have it at a measurement of about 9/16 inches wide. And then for this smaller one, you can see how it has a long but narrow valve opening, which again you do see on your pool inflatables. Now let's talk about the cord length. So the cord itself, measuring from right where it starts on your air pump to where it ends right before your 12-volt plug, this is going to be about 5 feet and 2 inches long. So that cord is about as tall as I am. And that's going to be what you'll have to think about when you do have your 12-volt outlet inside your vehicle. Make sure you have enough length. Let's say if your kayak is outside your vehicle, if this will reach out the door of your car, or let's say you have a backseat air mattress, just make sure that this can reach all the way towards the back seat where you have to inflate your mattress. So you do have about a little over 5 feet of length to work with that within those situations. Again, you can inflate and deflate with this pump. So your inflate port is going to be right over here at the end, and then your deflate port is actually going to be at the bottom of the pump right over here. You also have this switch, so this is going to be your on and your off switch for your pump. So then once you figure it out if you're going to inflate or deflate, you just plug it in and then turn it on, then turn it off when you are done. I actually really like the deflate function on this. So I do like how this pump has 2 functions, again, inflate and deflate. The deflate is especially helpful because compared to other pumps, which only have an inflate function, once you're done and you have to deflate your mattress, sometimes you just unplug it or take off the closing on it and just wait for the air to come out, or you have to push it out manually. With this, it's a lot faster. You just plug it into your air mattress, set it to deflate, and it kind of sucks out the air just like a vacuum would. Not as strong as a full vacuum, but still very, very helpful. When I set it to deflate on my air mattress, that's when I start folding and rolling in the air mattress. It saves on time and it saves on space because then I can fold it up smaller than if I had to do it manually. So we do have different air pumps from Coghlans. We have the 12-volt version, which is like this. We also have one with a plug that fits into your wall socket, or if you are looking for something a little bit more portable or something that can move around to different places where you aren't limited by a cord, we have a version of this that is battery powered as well. They all work pretty much the same way. They have very similar valve adapters, and they help you out when you're out camping, if you have a kayak, if you have an air mattress that needs inflation or deflation. This works with that, and it's a lot easier than using a hand pump. So this was a really quick look here at our Coghlans electric air pump, which is 12-volt powered here at eTrailer. My name is Evangeline, and I hope this helped you out.